Calling back on my boosters, Eric here, and it's been a hot minute since I played Wii Party last. Actually, well, yeah, it actually has been a little bit of time since I played Wii Party last, but it's been a long time since I've uploaded any gameplay of Wii Party. Last time I did, we were playing against my CPU Miis, my Wii Music Miis, Liz and Xander in a Globetrot. But today we're doing my standard Wii Music Miis, Gavin and Diana in Swap Meet. We're gonna do 5 sets. I'm not sure why. Hey, 5 sets would probably be fun. All right. First, CPUs. Alright, got the CPUs done. And now, let's play! Oh, dang, I gotta start off with two platinums? Huh. That's good. Alright. Ooh, I'm good at hammerheads. There we go. Fine. Ah! Megan! That hurt. I should have brought Vincenzo along with me. Yeah, is it like I feel like I'm like in the minority of people when I say that I like Megan. I feel completely alone on that. Could have gone that way for a golden one. Well, it was the last second step. Alright, you two, do your roll off. One anyway, so. Imagine Diana doing a Poovisher scream right about now. Alright. Who am I going for? You know what? I'm going to go for Carnaman. He's a really new me. None of you have seen him before. I'm sorry, I can't. Go. I need some time to process what I just saw. So as I was saying, what was it? Oh yeah, Carnaman. Yeah, so Carnaman, none of you have seen him before. He's a very new guy. I just added him like 2 days ago. But yeah. I'm gonna be uploading my first new music video with Carnaman in it soon, and yes, it's going to be Carmen. Song. Yeah. Ha! Take that, Megan! Thank you. Okay. I can't do that in real life. I don't know how to backflip. For a second, I thought Megan was barefoot. Well, you know, something I do whenever I play this is if I need to go for like one of the two, well, Christ. Ain't this just a kettle of fish? So as I was saying, whenever I have to like go for like one of the mystery Miis, something I always do, what I always tend to do is basically just go for the Mii I like more. And in case I need, why am I restating what I said? Oh! Out of the way, sheep! Yeehaw! Serves Gavin, right? Okay. I don't really have any use for these two, so I'm gonna go for one of the mystery Miis. With these guys, I always choose which one I like more, and I like Olivia more. Oh!
One to go.
Oh! How does it feel now, Gavin? Woo! I hate you all. I hate every single one of you. Standard Miis, why am I doing so bad?
Start.
Why is that always? And I'm with a player 2! Don't you dare! Come on! Frick you! Don't you friggin' dare! Mine! Oh, you son of... I'm not sure if I should swear while watching this video, while making these videos, but gosh, I want to. Take that, Gavin! I know you're a child, but you're screwing me so hard! Beat it, Diana! Oh! How did I win that after Gavin, like, smoked everyone? Okay. Well, just to say screw you to Gavin, I'm not letting you take this. There you go. Why you guys can't see me? Actually, you guys can kind of see me when the screen goes black, but you can't see me right now. I don't think. All right. Oh, I hate this one. Let me tell you a story. Not too long ago, I was playing like solo mode, like solo expert, like the highest difficulty, where you can't choose your next minigame. And like I played this minigame and I lost like 3 lives to it. I lost nearly every life I got to it. I absolutely despise this bloody minigame. Well, I've gotten like the strategy down, but God, just trying to figure out how to do the strategy was absolutely abhorrent. I hate this minigame. Derby Dash, I hate the fact that you're like the icon for the minigame free play, because you suck. Alright, I'm gonna go with Cleaner, because why not? I mean, to be honest, Railing is like honestly kind of like one of my least favorite music Miis I made. I don't hate her or anything. She's just extremely bland. And turns out a lot of people agree with me. Like from what I see, Raylene is not that popular. Of the Mii I made. People really don't like Raylene that much. I guess a lot of people think she's just as bland as I think she is. Lucky Launch. Was it for the fact that this is one of my favorite video games in terms of aesthetics? Start. I always go for the chunky one. That's my strategy. Chunky boy, chunky firework. Alright. Come on. Yeah. Woo. Come on. I love it. Okay. Gavin's out. Diana's out. Alright. Woo! Let's go! Yeah! There's my face and my excessive amount of hair. It's my well, not really excessive amount. It's more like excessive bangs. Hey, I don't like. Honestly, I don't like to show off my forehead. To be honest with you. Well, I have no. Well, I guess I'll take Don.
One to go.
At least I'll get some points for having one to go. Well, that's why I need to check the time to make sure I don't.
One to go.
Make sure I don't like overstay like how much time I can give. Like how much I can have for like video and all that.
One to go.
Not again! At least I got 2 points for having a one to go. Yeah, I got points for one to go. Still fighting for last. How did Megan get more points? Anyways, I'm gonna leave this episode off here. I'm going to upload the next one. I'm gonna upload all these in like succession, but I don't want any of these videos to like overstep how long they can be. Alright, so see you soon. Stay tuned for part 2.